Tip 1. Eggs and peas. First, I prepare about 250 grams of fresh peas. Pour all the peas into a pot, add water and boil them for about 2 to 3 minutes until they're just tender but still retain their vibrant green color and natural crunch. Then, I drain the peas into a large bowl and let them cool slightly for a few minutes. Next, I crack 3 eggs into the bowl. I season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Then, I finely chop some green onions and add them to the bowl along with the egg and peas mixture. Next, I use a spoon to mix all the ingredients thoroughly so the eggs and peas blend together. Once the mixture is ready, I turn on the stove and add a little olive oil to the pan, using a spoon to spread the oil evenly across the pan's surface to prevent sticking. Then, I pour the entire egg and peas mixture into the pan and spread it evenly across the surface. Next, I cover the pan and cook over low heat for about 3–4 minutes, so the bottom of the pancake gradually cooks and sets. Once the bottom is firm enough, I place a plate over the pan and gently flip the omelet to cook both sides evenly. After flipping the omelet, I place a few slices of ham on top. Next, I slice a tomato and arrange the slices evenly over the ham. Then, I season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper, and sprinkle a layer of grated cheese on top to make the dish richer and more appealing. Finally, I cover the pan and cook for another 3–4 minutes to let the cheese melt and the ingredients blend together. When I lift the lid, the aroma of eggs, peas, and cheese fills the air. It's absolutely irresistible. And there you have it, a simple yet incredibly delicious dish of eggs and peas. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Tip 2. Eggs and eggplant. For the second tip, I prepare 2 eggplants that have been thoroughly washed. Then, I use a knife to slice them lengthwise into slices about 1 centimeter thick. Eggplant is a healthy, low-calorie ingredient rich in antioxidants, fiber, and potassium. It may help support heart health, control blood sugar, aid weight loss, and keep the brain healthy. It is also known for helping strengthen bones, beautify hair, cool the body, detoxify, and reduce cholesterol. Next, I arrange the eggplant slices on a cutting board sprinkle a little salt on the surface of each slice. I use my hands to rub the salt evenly onto both sides of the slices. I let the eggplant rest for about 2 to 3 minutes. This step helps reduce the bitterness and makes the eggplant taste better when cooked. Next, I place the eggplant slices on a baking sheet. I then brush a thin layer of olive oil on both sides of each slice to prevent them from drying out while baking. Once everything is ready, I place the tray of eggplant in the oven and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. While waiting, I crack 3 eggs into a bowl. Then, I add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper, and whisk the eggs thoroughly with a fork. Next, I grated some cheese to sprinkle into the egg mixture. Cheese offers many health benefits thanks to its rich concentration of nutrients like calcium, protein, vitamin D, K2, and zinc. It helps strengthen bones, prevent osteoporosis, protect dental health, provide energy, support heart health, and even reduce stress. Continue mixing until all the ingredients are well combined. Then, I prepare another plate. I add 1 tablespoon of flour and 1 tablespoon of breadcrumbs. Next, I add 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then mix all the ingredients together. By now, the eggplant is done roasting, so I take the tray out of the oven. Next, I place each eggplant slice onto the plate with the flour mixture and gently roll both sides to lightly coat the surface. Then, I dip the eggplant slices into the egg and cheese mixture so they absorb the rich, aromatic egg sauce evenly. Once I finish slicing all the eggplant, I arrange them back on the baking sheet. Next, I put the tray in the oven and bake for another 10-15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. When the cheese has melted and the surface turns a tempting golden brown, the dish is ready. So today, we've made 2 really interesting dishes together using eggs, green beans, and eggplant. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to keep sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.